Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will discuss about the Scopus Index Journal and SCI Index Journal and quick publication. So you will get the notification within 1 month and your research paper will get published within 1 to 3 months. So this is the rapid publication journal. So the platform is the Elsevier. So you can publish your research paper in the Elsevier platform. So how we will do that? So this is the first journal name. So computers in industry, especially dedicated to the computer science researcher and many more. So explore this journal for the particular titles and aim and scope. So the journal brief description of this particular, so you can see here, this is the 5 years impact factor is the 4.06, and this journal is published in within a 1 year 10 issues. So you can also calculate the amount of the publication time. So within 1 month you will get the notification. Most probably your research paper will get published within 1 to 3 months. Now about the editor-in-chief, you can see here, and this is the description of the journal. So read out it carefully for the research paper publication. So what types of the aim and scope, so new trends, or what types of the things covered in this particular journal. So you can see here दिस जर्नल कवर द न्यू ट्रेंड्स. सो न्यू ट्रेंड्स जो भी लेटेस्ट में और अपकमिंग जो ट्रेंड्स आने वाले इन द फील्ड ऑफ द कंप्यूटर साइंस, इट विल कवर in this particular section. So ICT, so really this is the very helpful to all of us, because this journal covers all the coming and industry 4.0 technology revolution, all the things covered in this particular journal. So if your research area having such type of the research paper and topics, it can publish your research paper in this quality index journal. So what types of the topics and what are the things covered by the journal, you can read out it carefully. So definitely this will be help out to publish your research paper in this particular section. So this is the very important thing. So all the things are covered in this journal. And now if you want to go to the deep dive about this journal, so about the indexing and about the abstracting and also the impact factor and general deep description, so just click on the read and more. So you will have the all the benefit, what types of the benefits of this particular authors and technology and outstanding front end, all the things are given here. Now most important about this journal, so just go to the indexing part. So it will redirect to the what types of the indexing, कौन से इसके अंदर indexing में covered होता है journal. So as we already preferred Scopus Index Journal and also the SCI Index Journal, so always be seek about this particular indexing. So there is no problem about the journal authenticity. Just explore this journal in detail. If your research area come meet with this particular topics and title, then you need to submit your research paper for the publication. Next journal name is the Elsevier category, International Journal of Management Education. So this research paper published quarterly, and you will get the notification 1 to 2 months about the acceptance or rejection or minor changes, and your research paper will get published within 3 to 4 months. So most probably your research paper will get 3 to 4 months के अंदर आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश हो जाएगा. एंड कौन कौन से एरियाज हैं जो इसके पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक कौन कौन से इसके अंदर कवर्ड होते हैं, तो यू कैन सी हियर लाइक द बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट, मार्केटिंग एंड लाइक द पेडागोजी, ऑल द थिंग्स type of the topics and paper covered by this journal. So if your research area comes under this topics and category, then you need to explore this journal in detail. So after satisfaction at your level, then you can see. So you can see here, this is the time of first decision. So you will get the notification 1 to 2 month. So within 1 to 2 month के अंदर आपको रिसर्च इसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाएगा आपका रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिकेशन का. एंड दीज आर द टॉपिक्स गिवन here in this particular this section. So business management learning, so all the things are given, and these are the indexing, what types of the indexing covered by this journal. So as we already know, we always talk about the Scopus and SCI index. So this journal comes under the category of the SCI index journal and Scopus index journal. So you can publish your research paper. Next one is the journal especially related to the hospitality and tourism management researcher, and they also get the research paper notification within 1 to 2 months, and research paper will get published within 3 months. So this is also the Elsevier category, and this is the really very reputed journal, And now about the description of this journal, you can see here this is the kind of the topics and things covered by this journal, so read out it carefully. If your research area match with this particular topics and title, then you can explore and you can also submit your research paper for this quick publication journal. Now about the indexing, 5 types of the indexing covered by this journal, so just click on the indexing part, so it will be redirected to the indexing part. So this is the SCI index journal, so there is no issue about the indexing part. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। इफ़ यू अगर आपकी कोई क्वेरी है, कोई आपके किसी और पर्टिकुलर दूसरे ब्रांच से आप बिलोंग करते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं, आप जस्ट अपना कमेंट हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख भेजिए। डेफिनेटली आई विल मेक ए वीडियो स्पेशली फॉर यू। एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू फॉर दिस चैनल, देन हिट ऑन द सब्सक्राइब button and subscribe. Being a subscriber, definitely I will help out, and also help your friends also by sharing this video and this channel, because this is the platform especially dedicated to the researcher, and I am here to help out in your research paper publication, and in each and every guidance I will provide you whatever I know. So definitely, so subscribe this channel, and on regular basis you will get the notification of new upcoming video related to only research paper. So this is the best place to you if you are a researcher. Thank you for watching this video.